Good morning, students. Today we will complete our exercise number 3. It is remaining for chapter 4. It's adjective. Chapter 4. So let's start our lesson with exercise number 3. We have already done exercise 1 and 2 in previous lecture for adjective. Today we will do exercise 3 is complete the sentences with adjective from the box. Some adjectives are already given in the box, so we will complete these sentences with given adjective from the box. First one is given already. The milk smells bad. Let's throw it away. Bad is one type of adjective. Okay. It's a quality of adjective. Then the sky looks dash. It may start raining anytime. So what will come over here? The sky looks wonderful, weak, incomplete, empty, thrifty, cloudy, dirty or bad. So sky looks cloudy. It may start raining anytime. So answer will come over here, cloudy. Third one, Sam has recovered from his illness, but he is still very wonderful, weak. Yes, he is very weak. Still he feels very weak. Fourth one, the market is dash, there is no one to be seen. The market is wonderful, weak, incomplete, empty. What will come? Empty. The market is empty. Not one. There is no one to be seen. Market खाली था, कोई भी दिख नहीं रहा था. Market is empty. Next one. Mr. Khanna is careful with his money. He is a dash man. What kind of man? Mr. Khanna. He is very careful with his money. He is thrifty person. So your answer will come here in fifth one is thrifty. Sixth one. Tara's report on the accident was dash. She fell ill before she could finish it. Tara's report on the accident was dash. Accident was. Here the sentence is about report, and report is not wonderful, weak, it is incomplete. So report is incomplete. Seventh one is Manav described the dash experience he had on the roller coaster. So Manav described the what will remain. Incomplete हो गया, empty हो गया, thrifty हो गया, cloudy हो गया, dirty, bad and wonderful बाकी है. Then what will come? Yes, bad भी हो गया है तो दो ही बाकी है. Manav described the wonderful experience. Yes, the wonderful experience. Last one is Rahul put all the dash clothes in the washing machine. वॉशिंग मशीन में हम क्लोथ्स कौन से डालते हैं जो डर्टी होते हैं. So answer is dirty. Now read the description of this room. There is a room you can see in the picture. There is a round wooden table. We can see in the picture round wooden table. This one type of adjective. There is a small red Chinese vase on the table, small and Chinese vase. There is a beautiful and colorful jute carpet on the floor, colorful and beautiful. There is some comfortable blue sofas in the room, comfortable and blue sofas. Okay. When two or more adjectives are used before a noun, we have to put them in a particular order. When two or more than adjective are there, so we have to put them in particular order in the sentence. This table shows the order of adjectives in the sentences. So here some columns are given: opinion, size and shape, color, original and material, and noun. Okay, so opinion is here small, beautiful, colorful and comfortable. Size is here round, it is in shape. Color are used in this paragraph is red and blue. Material is also used in this sentence is wooden, Chinese and jute. Noun is also here table, vase, carpet and sofa. These are the nouns. So some type of adjective here classified by the columns. When we use adjective from different categories in the sentence, we do not use comma or and. You can see in this sentence that there is a round and wooden table. आएगा? No. There is a round wooden table. And लगाने की जरूरत नहीं है because there are from different categories. So we are not using comma or and. But when we use two adjectives from the same category, first one में round and wooden both are different categories. Round अलग है, wooden अलग है. Round वो size में depend है और wooden है material में depend है. Both are different categories. So we are not using and or comma. But in second one, when we are using two adjectives from the same category, we insert and between them. We can use adjective from the same category in the order be like this. There is a beautiful and colorful. Beautiful and colorful are both comes in same category, quality, beautiful and colorful. So it needs and beautiful and colorful, colorful and beautiful. So it is for your kind information that when we are using different categories, we are not using and, but when we are using same categories, जब हम कोई सेम कैटेगरी का एडजेक्टिव यूज करते हैं तो उसमें एंड लगाना पड़ता है. डिफरेंट कैटेगरीज वाले एडजेक्टिव में एंड की जरूरत नहीं है. नाउ वी विल डू एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4. एक्सरसाइज नंबर 4 is mark the sentences as correct or incorrect. So correct the incorrect one. Rasmi is short and thin. You can see here and is used here because short and thin is comes in same category. लंबाई में कम होना और पतला होना वो सेम कैटेगरी में आता है. तो यहाँ पे एंड का यूज हुआ है. इट इज ट्रू. शी वॉर अ शॉर्ट ब्लैक एंड सिल्क स्कर्ट. सो इट इज यस, इट इज फॉल्स. शी वॉर अ शॉर्ट ब्लैक सिल्क स्कर्ट. एंड की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज वो ऑल द एडजेक्टिव आर कम्स इन सेम कैटेगरी. Okay, different category: short, black and skirt, silk skirt. So there is no use of and. So we have to remove and from this sentence. Third one, team has a big colorful beige umbrella. So this is true. Team has a big colorful. These comes in different category, big and colorful. So there is no need of and. So it is true. Fourth one, yes, third one is true. Fourth one, Saira bought a blue big balloon. So is it true? हमको इसको कैटेगराइज तो करना ही है, साथ में ये भी करना है कि ऑर्डर में सेंटेंस को रखना है. अगर हम इसको पर्टिकुलर ऑर्डर में नहीं रखेंगे तो सेंटेंस का मीनिंग अलग निकल जाएगा. साइरा बॉट अ ब्लू big balloon. Which one is comes before or what we can add in the sentence? It is false because answer will come here. Saira bought a big blue balloon. Big blue balloon. So we have to put big over before blue. A big blue balloon. Fourth one हो गया. Fifth one is there is a brown fat cat in the house. It is also false because fat को हमको कहाँ पे लेके आना पड़ेगा? Before brown. There is a fat brown cat. There is a fat brown. So जो यहाँ पे fat था उसको हमने यहाँ पे लिया we have to make particular proper order to make the sentence proper. There is a fat brown cat in the house. Sixth one. She has a white small car. Is it true? This statement is true? No. Same way as the fifth one, it is also false. She has a small white car. She has a small white car. Because we want to make meaningful sentence and we have to put any adjective as a particular order. So a small will come here as a particular order. A small white car. Seventh one. I gave her a Japanese beautiful doll as a gift. The same way, adjective is beautiful and it is not comes after Japanese, it's come before Japanese. So I gave her a beautiful Japanese doll. Seventh one is also false. A beautiful. उसके बाद जापानीज डॉग आएगा. ब्यूटीफुल को हमने आगे ले लिया है यहाँ पे. Eighth one. This is an old beautiful Russian mirror. Here, beautiful is an adjective. It is an adjective. But what will become here? This is a beautiful old Russian mirror. So, eighth one is also wrong. A beautiful. N की जगह पे क्या आएगा? N को निकालेंगे. यहाँ पे होगा a beautiful old Russian mirror. The sentence will comes in this way. 9. The bus driver is short and thin. Yes, it is true like sentence first. Rasmi is short and thin. Same way the bus driver is short and thin. Yes. Last one. Look, this is correct one. Last is standard. Look at these yellow lovely flowers. Lovely is an adjective. What will we do in this sentence? Look at these lovely yellow flowers. Lovely will come before yellow. So here, look at these. This one is also false. Look at these. इसके बाद आएगा lovely. उसके बाद आएगा yellow. So this is our exercise number 3 and 4. This exercise you have to do in your grammar textbook and notebook also, and exercise 5 is remaining. When we will meet in our next lecture, we will discuss about exercise 5. Before it, you have to do exercise 5 as your homework. आपको exercise 5 as a homework complete करनी है. Okay, we will discuss in our next lecture of exercise 5 answers. Thank you.